All right, so we just got something fun in. We now have a movie night gift box. So we want to thank XOXO parents for sending this out. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so we love movie nights. We're always watching something as a family, whether it's a comedy or a scary movie. And so it's summertime, and it's definitely a great time to do that. So thank you, XOXO parents, for sending this out. And we're going to open up our movie box. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get it open. So really cool packaging. Just want to be able to show you how it comes. So you've got the movie night the movie night company up here in lights. Enjoy a special gift for you. And it obviously lets you know it's by XOXO parents, but it's the Movie Night Co. And it says Popcorn Crunch, Candy Delight, let's get ready, it's movie night. And so this is really nice put together. What does it say?
It says, warning, open this package will result in extreme happiness. Please leave us a review or tag us in a pic.
Okay, cool. So opening this is gonna result in extreme happiness. So let's check it out. All right, you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Oh goodness, what did we get?
Okay, so first, we got these red vine twist candies.
Okay. Those are fun, right? Red licorice.
Yes.
Is what we got.
And
What's
then we
this?
got some movie night bingo.
Oh, that's fun. Movie night bingo card. Mark the square when you see it in the movie. So some things, it comes with like these little dry erase markers with erasers on them. And so some things that are on here are a baby, a red dress, a beach, football game, someone doing laundry. So that's fun. You can play bingo as you're watching your movie.
And then we got this like little what's it called? Where like you do like, it's like start.
The action.
Action.
And I think you can use the markers on that too
Yes.
to write the movie and everything on
And then
there.
there's popcorn boxes.
Popcorn boxes. Yep, you can put that together. All right, what else?
Okay.
There's tons of stuff in here.
And then there's some pizza flavored Pringles.
Oh, fun.
Some Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its.
Barbecue flavored Pringles.
Pringles.
We got a scratch and win card.
Scratch off winners. Claim your prize using the prize revealed after scratching off this card. Each prize code allowed for one redemption. Prizes range from $5 to $99. So we got a scratch off.
We got movie theater popcorn. There's 3 bags in here.
Movie theater popcorn to go with the popcorn box.
And then we got some slap bracelets.
What does it say?
Showtime, and then there's
fun.
different kinds of ones. And then we just have a bunch of snacks.
Yeah, so everything from sweet and salty. Looks like we got
These.
chocolate. These fun
Oreos.
things. Suckers.
These.
Peanuts.
As you can see, there's different flavors of all this stuff, different flavor Oreos.
Meat sticks.
There's tropical and regular Sour Patch Kids.
Oh, Jolly Rancher.
And then we
chewable.
also got some peanuts. And then there's just a bunch of a lot of candies in here.
That's awesome.
And then some dark confetti.
So this is fun. So this is exciting. So this is a whole kit in a box. So not only do you typically just put on a movie and you usually pop popcorn, but you have these really fun popcorn boxes so that you can put your popcorn in those. You have a game to go along with it. You have different slap bracelets. You have all the different sweet and salty. And then apparently we got a scratch and win card. So we're going to do that later. When we sit down and we do our movie night tonight. And so anyway, this looks fun, huh?
Yeah.
You ready for movie night?
Yes.
All right, we're ready. Thank you, XOXO parents.